I'm sorry. Cute dress, right? Ooh, sorry for the jump scare. I just wanted to let you know before the video gets started that there is in fact a giveaway kindly gifted by my friends and malevolent overlords over at sendclown.com. Yeah, so if you're interested in that, make sure you stick around for the rest of the video, and let's go thrifting. Good morning! We're at the thrift store, and today we're looking for spooky things. Specifically, I'm looking for costumes, but I'm not talking costumes like this. I'm talking like costumes you can wear day to day, where someone's like, is she dressed like a mummy? Or does she just look really cool? I couldn't sleep last night and I just kept thinking to myself, I just know I'm gonna find something incredible and maybe potentially cursed at the thrift store tomorrow. I just knew it. I felt it in my little cold, shriveled heart. And I was like, am I just wishing this to be, or am I actually manifesting this right now? But we'll see. Is this a vintage sleeping bag? Wow, I found a couple of things. They're not necessarily like Halloween costumey, but look at this beautiful wool set. $12. Pendleton. That's kind of amazing. This kind of fell into like the historical ghost vibe. It's like a peachy color, but it kind of has like an art deco-y feeling to it. Imagine wandering around a haunted ship. And then I just thought this was fun. It's a matching long driving coat and dress. I don't think I'm gonna get it, but fun. Ooh, and then last but not least, I found this matching set. It felt very Harley Quinn or clowny. Could be a good option. Ooh, okay. Ultra dress, my favorite. This is honestly pretty great. Very ghostly. Yoink. Choo choo, baby. I think maybe my Halloween aesthetic is costumes that 3 to 4 year olds would wear. But make it cute, make it sexy. Don't have a costume? How about a jaunty hat? Oh man. When the hat is too small, it's just a little bit too jaunty, you know what I mean? I'm really hoping for some like statement shoes. If I can find some clown shoes, I mean not actual clown shoes, but with the same spirit, that'd be incredible. Just found Birkenstocks. Okay, I haven't looked at the price yet. How much do you think they are? I'm gonna say $12.99. Oh! You guys, I'm on another level right now. Are these my size? Guys, it would be kind of fun to like paint on these, you think? I mean, I kind of just want to keep them as is, but painting is cool too. Let's try them. Comfy. Ooh. Aw. Now these are a little bit clowny. I like that. Just buy this for my cartoon character video. All right, we're looking in the tops now, kind of tops and jackets, and we'll look in the pants. Crinkly. This is kind of fun. Lime green jean jacket. I feel like you could be like a creature from the Black Lagoon with this. Ooh, or Shrek. So this is literally a Halloween costume. It feels like it's made of plastic covered tissue paper. Probably not far from the truth. Ooh, I'm looking at the jewelry. Check this out. This Boston charm bracelet is pretty cool, but what do you know about this duck though? Is that chowder? Oh, baked beans. I was close. Well, color me disappointed. Last time I was here, this entire wall was all like silky 90s, very historical ghost vibes, and now it's just comfy stuff. Ugh, who wants that? How much they want for this doll head? Not bad.
What is that?
All right, I'll show you what I found. I've got two options for like a casual tiger slash a jaguar costume. This really cool, I think it's silk, vintage jacket. And then this sweet little two-piece set. This might be good for like the witch costume, leather patchwork skirt. This is also a little bit witchy, but maybe more like a celestial space witch. I love this. I'm gonna try this on, see if it fits. We've got our ultra dress. I think this is pretty cool too. Next, I thought this would be cute for like a tourist costume, but like a vintage tourist, like this. And it has this really pretty little crossy back. This is a little clowny. It could potentially be clowny depending on the accessories. Polka dot dress, but with these big buttons going up the side. I really like the buttons. So let's go finish up by looking at the fabrics. This is kind of spooky-ooky. Might be able to use that for something. Are you kidding me? I'm blessed and cursed. I freaking knew it. I knew it. I told you, this is my month. This is when I'm most powerful. This is when I manifest clowns into my life. I'm not even surprised. I can't believe I just found that. I think it's my sign that I need to go home. So I'll see you there. Bye. So I got some very casual Halloween costume goodies from the thrift store, but we also have a package to open. The one that I mentioned last week that has been emanating a dark aura that I'm scared to open. Yeah, let's address that problem before we move on to anything else. And this section will also include a giveaway, so be prepared. Be prepared. A few weeks ago, friend of the channel, Suze, sent me this message. And I said, yeah, that does smell like something I would be into. So I checked it out and I dove down the rabbit hole that is sendclown.com. Here are the deets. Sendclown.com is a service where you send a clown to somebody anonymously. And they claim that the clowns choose who they go to. Note, we are not responsible for any actions of clowns after you receive it. Sounds promising. So I obviously promptly bought one for myself, and I sent them a message and said, hey, clown overlords, would you be interested in providing a clown to my viewers, whether they want to send it to themselves or send it to someone else? And they said, yeah, I can do that. Note that I was too scared to ask what their name was because I'm 99% sure that it's just an animated clown doll that's trying to send its brethren across the world to, of course, start world domination. And you know what? That's a cause I can get behind. So my clown has arrived. So let's rip her open, the package, not the clown. We'll meet my soulmate, and then we'll talk about how you can get your grubby little paws on a clown of your own, or send one to your worst enemy, or your grandma. Don't watch. Oh, please be a good one. I was looking at the Instagram feed, and I know the clowns choose their own masters. Or are they the masters? But I just know there are some that I just really would not be happy to have. This one and this one really strike a deep fear in my soul. I'm just procrastinating at this point, but I'm also curious what y'all think of this service. Let me know down below if you're interested in sending a clown, receiving a clown, if you hate clowns and don't understand why I talk about them all the time. Honestly, same. Okay, let's just do this. This clown came all the way from Washington. It's a cross-continental clown. Feel bad for whatever airplane it was shipped on. The first thing I see is a ketchup bottle. Is this ketchup? Ah! Oh no. Oh, my eyes are watering. That was honestly frightening. Here he is. You want to see the best part? Oh, look at that bald spot. I love him. Honestly, love his outfit, 10 out of 10. There's literally a pin in the back of his collar. That's a weapon, sir. And what looks like blood on the front of his dress. A couple things I hate. The bald spot, not a fan of that. Also don't love how his nose is fleshy. Makes me wonder what the rest of the body looks like. Yeah, that's just 100% palm olive. There's also a nail sticking out of his head. That's a fun little detail. You've been through a lot, haven't you? Thank God he has hands. Oh, scratch that. Only one hand. There's a letter in here. It's probably from the clown, since it does have opposable thumbs and can probably write. Sorry, opposable thumb. Okay, so everyone meet Jelly. Hi, I'm Jelly. I might seem murderous, which is true, but that won't block our friendship, right? Well, Jelly, I don't think I really have a say in the matter. So if you would like to have a clown friend of your own or send one to somebody else anonymously, then here are the details for the giveaway. If you'd like to enter to win one free clown from sendclown.com, then make sure you subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment down below that says, yes, I would indeed like a clown, please, or something along those lines. And I'll be picking one random winner on Wednesday of this week. Also, if you'd like to just support sendclown.com yourself and get your grubby little paws on a clown for yourself or someone else, then please go check out the website. Get your orders in before Halloween so that they can arrive just in the nick of time. And let's all support this amazingly strange and cursed and awesome small business together. It's what Jelly would want. And we have to do what Jelly wants. Thank you, SendClown, for sponsoring this giveaway. Really appreciate you. Please don't murder me. All right, Jelly. I'm warming up to you, bud. Let's go try on some costumes. Don't we look cute together? Why, yes, I do have pumpkins on my socks. Can you see that? Let me try that again. Hey! There you go. So the first thing we're gonna work with is this jacket. Now, I think this jacket's really cool on its own. Love how it has multiple animal prints kind of combined. We got some stripes, got some spots. Are you okay? And I say that we just double down on the pattern clashing and pair it with some more patterning, like so. Very nice. Okay, so we've got the base going. Now let's accessorize. And I'm thinking that hair would be a fun accessory for this outfit. Maybe try and do some like little kitty ear buns. Is that possible? Is that a thing? Let's find out. Yeah, that's pretty cute. Also got some stompy boots. You could add like a belt or a tail if you're feeling real cute and flirty. And for makeup, I did like a dark upper lip and a lighter underlip. I feel like I've seen cosplayers do that when they're doing like an animal costume. And you're a certified member of the Cheetah Girls, or just little kitty cat. Ghostly dress, check. I just love this so much just for my wardrobe in general. We've got a lace collar that keeps flipping inside, so I'll have to iron that. Lots of buttons, baby. Cute little rose detail on the side. This also kind of reminds me of Big Tall Vampire Lady from Resident Evil. Do we give off similar energies? So as great as this dress is on its own, let's make it even more ghostly with some accessories. And yes, I am wearing the Birkenstocks I got from the thrift store. What a steal, what a find. So I'm thinking some like sheer layers. What hair does a ghostly lady have? Maybe a bun? Let's see what I can scrounge up. Okay, this is what I came up with. We've got the floaty, ghostly layer of this vintage nightgown. It's actually yellow, but that's okay. We know the world was black and white back in the 19th century. Brought in a helper, aka Lil Buddy, aka Poba. And then, I don't have like a vintage brass candlestick, but I do have this spring style one, so that'll have to do. So imagine, POV, you wake up in the middle of the night, you're sleeping at your Aunt Teresa's haunted countryside manor, and you see this in the hallway. This is on fire. What do? Spooky! And to round out our costumes, we're gonna need the help of our new friend Jelly. Jelly, can you help me become a clown, please? Yeah, that seems fair. I'm sorry. Cute dress, right? When I saw this dress at the thrift store, I knew it would be perfect for my light clowncore clown costume. We've got some polka dots. We've got some amazing big buttons that go all the way down. So I think all we need now are some clowny accessories. I have arrived. Who is this saucy vixen of a clown? I feel added some white tights to give it that kind of jestery vibe. My clown, Mary Jane's, from the thrift store, of course. And then look at this amazing bolero that I found during this thrift trip. The color, amazing. And I've been wanting like a little shruggy bolero moment for a while, so I'm so glad that I found it. I kind of feel like the clown from the Big Comfy Couch if she like had a little bit of a glow up. You know what I mean? So let's all say thank you to Jelly, our new patron saint clown, for this awesome vibe. I think it's also a great time to talk about the clown tapestry that I found at the thrift store. Wow. I've never seen anything like this at a thrift store or anywhere else. And like I said, when I was at the store, I was literally thinking the night before, I'm gonna find something extremely clowny and cool when I go to the thrift store tomorrow. Bada bing bong. Here's your ding dong. Also, I was thinking a couple days ago, I hit my forehead on the corner of my bedside table. I'm fine. But what if that opened my third eye? And that's how I'm so powerful right now. I'm not saying try it at home, but you never know. So I also got 2 sweaters and some sewing notions because I have an idea for a spooky thrift flip / DIY for next week's video. So if you're interested in seeing me making something funky and fresh with these guys, then please feel free to come back next week. I post most every Sunday and am doing Halloween / spooky specific videos all month long. Also, let's talk about the giveaway one more time. If you would like to send a clown to yourself or someone else, make sure to subscribe. Then make sure you drop a comment down below letting me know that you would like a clown. And I'm going to be picking a winner on Wednesday. This is a little quicker turnaround than I usually do because we got to get you those clowns by Halloween. I'm going to put a link for Send Clown down below in my description. If you just can't wait and you need to send a clown to yourself or someone else this Halloween season, then please be my guest. I would love it if we could support this strange and kooky small business. And I will see you next week for another spooky video. Okay? I love you, and so does Jelly. Okay, bye.